Hello, AP Psychology students. I'm Mr. Dow, and I'm going to be your teacher this year. I hope you had a relaxing spring, summer break, whatever you want to call it, and are excited to get back into school or some kind of routine, or at least you've accepted and come to terms with it. This year's definitely going to be interesting. I definitely don't have all the answers for how everything in our class is going to look right now, but I do want you to know and reassure you that I'm working on putting it together as we speak. I've done some online teaching before, so hopefully we can make it a good experience. There's going to be some bumps along the way, some things that don't go the right way for you, for me, but I'll do my best to be understanding of what you're going through, and hopefully you can extend that same grace to me. So even though class might look a little bit different, I think we can still make it a good time. I think we can learn a lot. I think we're still gonna have a great year. No homework or anything for now, but I will be sending out some information through email, Infinite Campus Messenger here in the next few days about what class will look like, especially during like the virtual learning days. And that might be especially important for those of you that I don't see until like the Thursday or Friday of that first week. You'll want to know, like, there'll be some things for you to work on that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So keep an eye out for those emails so you know what to do when the time comes. Enjoy the last week or two of summer, and we'll see you soon. I'm so excited to kind of get back into the building and teaching and learning, and I think it's going to be great. So we'll see you soon, and go Dragons.